How to use Storyboard with Sora. So if you want to go ahead and use it, you're gonna sign up first and create your own account, and from there it's pretty much going to be pretty easy. So just search for Sora AI and open up the first thing that pops out, and you should be led directly over here to their OpenAI. Go ahead to the top right, which is their login, and press on Sora. So once you're in your Sora over here, you should be directly led to their AI. You can go here to the videos to pretty much help you with what you're going to make. But if you want to go ahead and use the storyboard itself, go ahead to the type of what kind of media you want to create, and then just go ahead and choose on video. The storyboard button should appear, so press on that and choose a new storyboard. So Sora storyboard pretty much just lets you plan a video scene by scene before generating anything. So you can go ahead and add a scene depending on what section you want it to be, and or you can either type a description over here, or you can add an image or video. So pretty much depends on what's happening, camera movement, mood, style. The prompt always depends on the user. So you can attach a reference image or video. So the timestamp on each card shows when that scene will start. Let's say here the first one will start at 0 seconds, and then the next scene will start at 0.16. So that's less than a second. But it's pretty much just because so that it becomes more detailed. So that pretty much depends on you. So you have the duration over here, you can look into that, but the whole video here would be 5 seconds. So 1 second, 2 seconds, and then of course the 5th second on the very end. That's where your video ends. So you can start with opening your scene and describing it clearly. You can press on the plus button to whichever section you want, which is great for maintaining consistency in characters. So from the name itself, it's a storyboard, so it's meant to show part to part of what your scene will show. You can use the timeline at the bottom to preview flow and adjust the scene length. You also have resolution over here, but I suppose the high resolution does need a subscription, a higher subscription. You have the aspect ratio, so it depends on what you're going to upload it to, I suppose. Again, the resolution. You also have variations for your video. You have presets as well. So if you want a specific type of scene, you can always go ahead and put in and detail that. But there should be presets on scene over here on presets. Then once you're done with everything is where it's supposed to be, just go ahead and press on create, and it should take its time to generate the story or the scene for you. But that is pretty much how you can use your storyboard with Sora. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.